This is going to blow your mind. Imagine a living room bathed in natural light where every corner is kissed by the sun's gentle rays. The room feels alive, vibrant and welcoming. This is the essence of a space that truly embraces the calm. Free from clutter and distractions, this living room invites you to unwind and breathe deeply. The simplicity of the design allows your mind to rest, free from the chaos of everyday life. This is the allure of minimalist living, a sanctuary of peace in our often chaotic world. The neutral colors and simple decor create a harmonious environment where you can find solace and tranquility. Minimalism isn't about empty spaces, it's about creating a room that breathes, inspires, and allows you to truly relax. The airy feel and open space make the room cozy and inviting, a perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle. This guide will take you step by step through crafting your minimalist living room. From decluttering to decorating, we'll cover every aspect to help you transform your space into a serene haven. We'll explore how to design a space that reflects your values and brings you joy. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a living room that resonates with your inner peace and happiness. Ready to embrace the beauty of less? Let's begin. Together we'll embark on a journey to create a living room that is not only beautiful, but also a true reflection of your calm and serene lifestyle. We'll start with the basics of decluttering. Removing unnecessary items is the first step towards achieving a minimalist look. It's about keeping only what you love and what serves a purpose. Notice the transformation as the room goes from cluttered to clean. The difference is not just visual, it's a shift in energy, making the space feel lighter and more open. Next, we'll focus on choosing the right decor. Neutral colors are key in minimalist design. They create a calm and cohesive look, allowing the room to feel more spacious and serene. Incorporating natural elements like plants can add life and vibrancy to your minimalist living room. They bring a touch of nature indoors, enhancing the overall sense of tranquility. Finally, we'll put it all together. The end result is a beautifully decorated minimalist living room that not only looks stunning but also feels like a true sanctuary. A place where you can relax, recharge, and embrace the calm. Decluttering is the cornerstone of minimalist living. Start by removing anything you don't use, need, or love. This includes old magazines, unused electronics, and furniture that no longer serves you. Sort items into 3 categories: keep, donate, and discard. Be honest with yourself about what truly adds value to your life. Remember, a clutter-free space paves the way for a clutter-free mind. When choosing furniture for your minimalist living room, prioritize functionality and versatility. Minimalism is all about creating a space that is both aesthetically pleasing and highly practical. The key is to select pieces that serve multiple purposes and can adapt to your changing needs. This approach not only saves space but also reduces the need for excessive decor, keeping your living area clean and uncluttered. For instance, a sleek modern sofa that can transform into a guest bed is an excellent choice for those who frequently have visitors but lack a dedicated guest room. Similarly, a coffee table with built-in storage can help you keep your living room tidy by providing a place to store magazines, remote controls, and other small items. Opt for pieces with clean lines and a timeless design. These elements are the cornerstone of minimalist decor, ensuring that your furniture remains stylish and relevant for years to come. Clean lines create a sense of order and simplicity, which is essential in a minimalist space. Timeless designs, on the other hand, ensure that your furniture won't go out of style, allowing you to invest in high-quality pieces without worrying about them becoming outdated. Look for furniture that combines both of these attributes, such as a simple yet elegant dining table or a classic armchair. Consider a sofa that can also serve as a guest bed or a coffee table with built-in storage. These multifunctional pieces are perfect for maximizing space in a minimalist living room. A sofa bed provides a comfortable seating area during the day and can be easily converted into a bed at night, making it ideal for small apartments or homes with limited space. A coffee table with storage, on the other hand, offers a convenient place to keep your living room essentials organized and out of sight. contributing to a clutter-free environment. Multi-purpose furniture maximizes space and minimizes visual clutter. In a minimalist living room, every piece of furniture should have a purpose and contribute to the overall functionality of the space. By choosing furniture that serves multiple functions, you can create a more efficient and organized living area. For example, a storage ottoman can be used as a footrest, extra seating, or a place to store blankets and pillows. Similarly, a fold-out desk can provide a workspace when needed and be easily tucked away when not in use. Choose quality over quantity, investing in well-made pieces that will stand the test of time. High-quality furniture not only looks better, but also lasts longer, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective choice in the long run. When selecting furniture for your minimalist living room, focus on craftsmanship and materials. Well-crafted pieces made from durable materials like solid wood or metal will withstand daily use and maintain their appearance over time. By investing in quality furniture, you can create a minimalist living room that is both beautiful and functional, providing a comfortable and stylish space for years to come. A well-designed layout is crucial for a minimalist living room. Create a sense of spaciousness by arranging furniture away from walls and allowing for clear pathways. Use rugs to define different areas within the room. Maximize natural light by keeping windows unobstructed. Embrace the concept of negative space, the empty areas that give your eyes a place to rest. The power of neutrality. Neutral color palettes are a hallmark of minimalist design. Think whites, creams, grays, and soft pastels. These colors create a sense of calm and serenity, making the room feel larger and more inviting. Introduce pops of color sparingly, using textiles, artwork, or plants. A single statement piece can add personality without overwhelming the space. Lighting plays a crucial role in minimalist design. Maximize natural light during the day by using sheer curtains or blinds. In the evening, layer different light sources to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Combine ambient lighting, like overhead fixtures, task lighting such as table lamps, and accent lighting like wall sconces for a balanced and functional lighting scheme. Minimalism doesn't mean your living room should feel impersonal. In fact, the beauty of minimalism lies in its ability to create a serene and clutter-free environment while still allowing room for personal expression. It's about finding that perfect balance between simplicity and individuality. Incorporate a few carefully chosen decor items that spark joy and reflect your personality. These items can be anything from a unique sculpture that catches your eye to a family heirloom that holds sentimental value. The key is to select pieces that resonate with you and add a touch of warmth to your space. Consider a piece of artwork you love, a treasured book collection, or even a series of photographs that tell a story. Art can be a powerful way to infuse your living room with character and emotion. Whether it's a bold, abstract painting or a serene landscape, choose something that speaks to your soul, or a vase filled with fresh flowers. Fresh flowers not only add a pop of color, but also bring a sense of life and freshness into the room. They can be changed regularly to reflect the seasons or your current mood, keeping the space dynamic and ever-evolving. When selecting decor, remember the principle of less is more. It's not about filling every corner with objects, but about choosing a few meaningful items that enhance the overall aesthetic. This approach ensures that each piece has its own space to shine and isn't lost in a sea of clutter. Choose items with sentimental value or that enhance the overall aesthetic of the room. Sentimental items can be anything from a cherished photograph to a handmade craft. These pieces not only add a personal touch, but also create a sense of connection and belonging. By thoughtfully curating your decor, you can create a minimalist living room that is both stylish and uniquely yours. Once you've created your minimalist living room, the key is to maintain it. Establish a regular cleaning routine to keep clutter at bay. Adopt a one-in, one-out rule for new purchases. Remember, minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process of simplifying your space and enjoy the peace and clarity it brings. Creating a minimalist living room is about more than just aesthetics. It's about designing a space that supports your well-being. By embracing simplicity, you create room for what truly matters: connection, creativity, and contentment. Ready to embark on your minimalist journey? Start small, be patient, and enjoy the transformative power of less.